Welcome to Stupid Fast Truck. I'm Mike, the old guy. Today we're going to see what's in store for the truck for 2019. Okay, as you can tell by the box, I think you know what we're looking at here. Some stainless works headers. This is a real unboxing. I have not opened these yet. Get that open. Okay, this is the one that is designed to connect up to the stock system. As you can see, there's a Y pipe to connect it. We're not going to do that, and we'll get into that later. But there's that. Very pretty.
I am your father, Luke.
Okay. Moving on along here, we have the right side. This is the left, the crossover. Very nicely made. I don't know if you can see that. Oh, good stuff. A new hat, Stainless Works. We'll put that right there. All right, here is the big boys. Bunch of clamps. And here we go. Oh boy, they're wrapped pretty good. I was wondering how they fit these in this box. It looked kind of small. Oh, by the way, this is an accessory kit. It has some aluminum silicone, the O2 cables, which I'm not sure if we can use those or not, but jury's still out on that.
Oh, God.
Stainless Works. Very nice. Put that one aside and get the other one open. Ah, yes, we're gonna keep it legal with cats. That's one cat. And the second one. Very pretty. There you go. And last but not least, the other header. There it is. Stainless Works. Very nice.
Oh my. Oh, isn't that sweet?
Next thing we're going to do is try to tame the beast. It's a little loud and it kind of gives me a headache.
It might be a tumor.
It's not a tumor.
Because of some of the drone. We're going to be putting this Varix muffler. And you can see it has a motor on top and I'll demonstrate how that works in a minute when I get it out of the box. As you can see right now, the baffles are closed. We're gonna hit this remote, and now they're open.
It's not true. That's impossible.
Hopefully that'll tame it down a lot. Okay, here's everything you see laid out on the table. Down in the foreground you see the Y pipe that we probably won't be using. You see an X pipe we will be using. I didn't show you that before. Back in the back you see a pair of Vibrant performance bottle type resonators. Those will go into the system. There's a couple of flanges back there, and of course the muffler. As always, if you like the content, please subscribe, push the notification button to be notified of any new releases, and you can also follow me and DM me anytime on Instagram at StupidFastTruck. Thanks for watching and have a great day.